So, as in some of the earlier presentations talked about, there's a lot of instrumentation out there. There's a lot of devices. There's a lot of technology out there. Today, for the first time, or not for the first, the amount of, if you look at transistors, the simple transistor, today there are more than 1 billion transistors in the world for each person. If you look at anything, you've got cell phones, just look at the technology around you. There is so much instrumentation all over the place that the data exists. So what we in this whole smart anything that we call it, there's a 3 I's that we are focusing on. You need the instrumentation, which, as I said, there's a lot of instrumentation out there. So there's a lot of data being produced. The idea is, can you pull that together? Can you interconnect all that data? And then once you've done that, then the fun part starts, that, what intelligence can you get out of that data? So that's kind of the theme of what we have, that instrument things, pull the data together, and then look for benefits that you can extract, intelligence that you can extract out of that data. Sorry, it doesn't come out very bright there, but we call this a transportation influencer model. On the left side, left half of this is how we traditionally plan for transportation. We've got the demand influencers. As the economy, the population of a region grows, the demand for transportation increases accordingly. The bottom on the left is how we typically address that demand. We've got these plans for 5-year plans, 10-year plans, 20-year plans to build capacity, to add supply, to address that increase in demand. If you look at the right, so we need to keep doing this. We need to keep adding all the supply that we can. It's very expensive to do. It takes a long time, but we still need to do that. But with the newer technologies available, there are several things that we can do in the short term to get a lot of benefits very quickly. So on the right, it focuses on ways in which you can manage demand, whether it's through policies of work at home, or whether you influence it by pricing to discourage use in certain hours, or you provide better information, better traveler information that can be used to get better use of the existing assets. I'll just move quickly in interest of time. This is another, we've got a model which says that, okay, how can we treat these systems as instead of separate individual modes of transportation, how can we treat that as a single interconnected multimodal system? And at different levels of maturity, what are different cities doing around the world in operating those systems a lot more efficiently? This is all, if anybody wants details, I can provide these. There's no problem. So just very quickly, some of the areas we're focusing on is, pricing, various methods of pricing, whether it's a simple toll road to citywide schemes like London or Stockholm, to VMT pricing. Integrated fare management, where we talk about how do we pull together multiple modes and use a single technical system to manage all of them. And then at the bottom is using information to get a lot of the efficiencies I talked about. These are just some of the projects that use some of these concepts. Stockholm, London, the congestion charging systems there. I'll just move quickly here.
Maybe
I'll just wind up.
Some of these points
in the discussion. That sounds good.
As we go. Thanks
All right.
very much.
Thank you.